We back in the Windows home screen. Back in the Windows background. And we got the clouds behind us. Got the green hills behind us. Can't show too much because AI nowadays pinpoint exactly where I'm at. Just getting some breath work in. Enjoying the nature. Trying to do more IRL streams in real life, as they say. But really just streaming new perspectives. Life's a video game as well. How am I doing today? I'm not sure if I should be streaming vertically like this or horizontally. I'll keep it vertical for this stream. I'll see how it looks. And maybe in the future we'll switch it up back to horizontal. It's gorgeous out here. We got thunderclouds out here, so hopefully we're safe up on top of that. Witness history. First one to get struck. Monster. Got the sun coming up as we say that. Struck by the lightning, saved by the light. Apologize for my runny nose. Get these breaths out. Been indoors for a while, streaming video games for a while. Take that in. Beautiful scenery. Beautiful landscape. We're going to try to get to this oak tree I see off in the distance. Trees planted in these hills back in the day. Welcome to Dice. Anyone in here? Checking in with the Sage. Got any questions? Just say what up. We're here. Just views of the clouds, natural based energy, got the wind, got the light, got the shine. This is really where all the ideas come from. You gotta move, you gotta move the body as much as you can. Even if you got a big home, big house, big mansion, you gotta get outside. Nothing's as big as this mansion, you feel me? We in the palace right now. It's a little palace with Alice. It's like a chalice. Her graces. Really absorbing the silence, the sound, images, everything we feel in. Rare time, 2025. We're still alive, still walking, still scribbling. Taking everything as it comes. Ahoy, matey. Got some clouds on the horizons. Really feeling peaceful, not letting any distractions take us off the track of the ship, life ship. And, appreciating every moment, even the challenges, even the relations, finding the balance. recording. I think while I'm recording, it doesn't really show me the chat. My shoes are so muddy though. Here, check out the kicks, y'all. They're full of mud. First person. Y'all seeing first person video game, PsiloSage. It's a game of life, baby. Might even start jogging. Just to get this mud off our feet on some solid ground. Deposits. We got the mud deposits, new technology, old tech. Gotta get that jog on, get that money. Beautiful flowers on the sides. Beautiful life. Let's get that money. We in the hills. I'm in the hills. Y'all know the field, 'cause we in the hills. We moving and grooving. Y'all know what we doing. Forrest Gump. Trying to get to the tree stump. Not gonna lie, my shorts is falling down under my pants. But we can't stop. Getting that money. I'll show y'all the view. Get that money. We headed to the tree. Let's go. I'm about to pull up these shorts. It's not even the short. Oh yeah, it is. That breath, and we about to get that money again. Just might find a dinosaur fossil while we out here. Let me know if y'all see any AI that's watching the stream in the future. Scan that image. Let me know if you find any dinosaur bones or any fossils, artifacts. We should be breathing through our nose. Whoa. Y'all seen that? Collect that. Nothing wrong with having little boogers if you're actually breathing, you know what I mean? If you're actually breathing through your nose. A lot of us, me included, breathing through the mouth just because we don't want boogers flying out of our nose. And that's okay. If you're farting, if you got boogers, that means you're alive. That means your body is living body. That's what it's all about. Motion. I'm in motion. I'm in motion. And I'm in the hills. In the hills. With the hills. Y'all see the hills. Y'all are the hills too now. We are the hills. And we almost to the tree. We almost to the tree, baby. The beauty, the goals, they're in sight. Yes, sir, yes, ma'am, yes, they. money. Getting that money. Get that money. Ooh, the wind blew my hood off, but we getting that money. Getting that money. Look where we at, baby. We made it. Made it to the gold. Made it to that green. That cheddar cheese. That big loaf. It's really about the sounds more than the visuals sometimes. Listen to them sounds. I'm gonna hold my breath. Here. Amazing graphics. First person view. I'm playing at PsiloSage right now. Game of life. Beautiful environment. First person sage. All on the stage. Third person again, switching to third person as we move in. Sage is the news, televise the vision, not lie about the vision. We just living. I'm just living. We just living. Just living. What do y'all think? Should we be in a horizontal view next time instead of this like a vertical? I know long form content vertically is not really the move most of the time, but collect this rare occurrence. Rare video game we in. First person solo. First person or third person, y'all see me running in the environment. Sprint. Press the sprint button, y'all. Just press it, holding down the sprint. Running through this game. Some RPG, baby. Running through this game. Holding down the sprint button. Getting that money. Racking up them coins. Them rings. Like Sonic. Super Sonic. See us moving out here. We here, baby. We here. Game of life. We need to get that cash. That swag. Get that bag. Get that money. Get that love. Get that energy from above. PsiloSage feeling like a dove. What it is, what it was. It's that solo perspective. Breathing through the nose. I'm not gonna show you all the rare boogers, but we're clearing the nostrils, the naval cavities, the nasals. Because we a naval, we a ship. We heading up, we not sunken. We bobbing on the surface. I'll see the background. I'll see the background all around. I'm in the hills. We are the hills. I love the hills. Yeah, yeah. That's where we at, baby. The hills. Hills have eyes 3. I need y'all to pray for that. Could be coming soon. Could be coming in time. It's all up to the world. It's all up to life. If we need it. If we are it. Producers, tap in. If y'all want to be a part of Hillz Have Eyes 3, we listening. Listening to life. We seeing what fits. So tap in. Let me know what's up, what you working on. If y'all got anything spooky for me, send it through. Anything that sound like these random ass palm trees that be chilling up on top of the hills. Bob Marley trees. Got the whole Marley family, Marley and me. Up here. Would it be? Would it be? PsiloSage. PsiloSage. Would it be, man?